First, you want to begin by dusting. You want to sweep and clean the floor and then inspect it carefully. Put down the stripper solution and allow it to penetrate for at least 15 minutes. Yeah. Machine scrub or machine strip the floor until you can visibly see that it's a chalky, itchy type surface. About that. Yeah. I try to explain it to them. Chemicals are different, just processes are different. Pick up and rinse the floor carefully. Carefully inspect the floor before you lay your finish or wax to make sure that all the old finish is stripped off, and also make sure no debris is on the floor. Carefully outline your floor finish for your first couple coats of wax. Apply floor finish in a figure 8 or figure S formation to trap in any debris that may be on the floor.